How to fix WoW Classic Error 132. Here are some tips that may help you fix WoW Classic Error 132, 0x85100084. Update your drivers and existing operating system. 2. Reset your user interface, completely exit World of Warcraft. Uninstall any add-on managers. In the blizzardbattle.net desktop application, click Options and select Show in Explorer, Windows Registered, or Reveal in Finder, Mac Registered. Open the World of Warcraft registered folder. Open the folder for the game version you're troubleshooting, _retail_ or _classic_, rename the cache, interface, and WTF folders to cache old, interface old, and WTF old. Relaunch World of Warcraft so the changes can take effect. Advanced troubleshooting: if you continue to have errors, an add-on or macro may have changed a console variable. You can reset this by typing the following command into your in-game chat box and pressing enter. You may receive a permission error, but the command will still work, /console_default. Close all other applications. Hint: for Windows users, perform the clean boot. Temporarily uninstall any security. Check for overheating components. If the problem persists, remove, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, and reinstall your World of Warcraft game. And, if the problem persists, please visit Blizzard Technical Support Forums at https://us.forums.blizzard.com/n/wow/c/support/technical-support. Or contact their support team at https://battle.net/support/help.